Before we begin, here is the truth. A woman's attachment doesn't come from logic. It comes from emotion. It's not like a rope she ties to you. It's a storm she walks into with her eyes closed, because her heart told her to. If you don't understand that, you will drown in that storm. You'll lose your identity trying to be her savior or her entire world. You were not born to be consumed. You were born to lead. You were born to understand, but never collapse. Let us begin. 1. Emotional consistency and safety. A woman attaches deeply when she feels emotionally safe, not when you're rich, not when you're flashy, but when she knows your emotional energy is like a calm sea, stable, unmoved, consistent. She attaches to your presence, not your performance. It's like a child sleeping in her father's arms. The world may fall apart, but she rests, because he does not flinch. This is why women crave consistency, not perfection, but emotional stability. If your emotions are fireworks, she will eventually walk away. If your emotions are a lighthouse, she will build her life around it. But here is where the trap lies. Men think, she loves my calmness, so let me now become her emotional sponge. Wrong. She gets attached when you're strong, but she will start resenting you when you become her emotional pet. Be a sanctuary, not a servant. 2. Vulnerability shared over time. Women attach through the slow unraveling of stories, wounds, and dreams. Every time you share a part of your past, the real part, the dark part, the raw part, she stitches a new thread into the fabric of the bond. It's not a switch, it's a weaving, like watching a painter slowly brush color into a blank canvas. You don't notice the change until suddenly, the whole painting is different. But here is the danger. Once she sees your pain, she will want to heal you. And if you let her heal you fully, she will start mothering you. And once that happens, the attraction dies. Let her see your wounds, but don't bleed on her. You are a warrior. You show your scars with pride, not desperation. 3. Physical intimacy with emotional meaning. Yes, sex. But not just sex. It's what it means. It's what it feels like. Women attach deeply through the act of giving themselves. And when a woman sleeps with you, really gives herself, she bonds to you like ivy to stone. It is not just lust, it is trust. You must understand that for her, this act is not a release of tension. It is a giving away of part of her soul. And here's what breaks her. When she gives you her soul, and you treat it like skin, she starts wondering, why do I feel more, and he feels less? She begins to doubt herself, question her worth, and then she begins to attach even harder, hoping your heart will catch up to hers. You must be honest. If you are not emotionally there, do not take her body. You are not a man if you cannot protect the hearts that open to you. Remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel Wired Stoic on YouTube and follow me on TikTok to be always reminded of becoming more stoic, masculine, and successful every day. 4. Future vision and shared time. Women attach to futures, to the moments when you speak with fire in your voice about the life you want to build. And when she starts to imagine herself in that life, that's when the bond becomes iron. It's like planting a tree together. She waters the roots, you hold the sunlight. Every small conversation about where you'll go, what you'll do, how many kids, which house, which city. It's not just talk. It's architecture in her soul. But if you build a castle of words with no bricks of action, she will fall in love with a man that doesn't exist. And when reality hits, it will break her. Don't build dreams you don't plan to carry. If your mouth says always, your actions must say forever. Now listen, maybe you hurt someone. Maybe you've led someone on. Maybe you were once weak. So was I. I also once confused lust for love and attention for affection. But a man learns. A man repents in silence and rebuilds in the shadows. The truth is, women don't get attached out of weakness. They get attached because they believe, they hope, they feel in ways we cannot understand. So respect it, understand it, but never lose yourself in it. Be the oak tree in the storm. She may cling to you, but you never bend.